Wind? Rain? Sun? Bring it on. This umbrella's got your back. Say hello to the SY Compact Travel Umbrella, the only stormproof, sun-blocking, lightweight champ you'll ever need. This isn't just an umbrella, it's your personal weather shield, built to tackle wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour without flipping inside out like those flimsy dollar store disasters. Its 8 fiberglass ribs and black metal shaft provide unbreakable durability, while the 210T Pongee waterproof canopy ensures you stay bone dry with just a quick shake. Rain or shine, this umbrella's got you covered, literally. Auto open and close? Yep, it's one-hand magic at the push of a button. Why is this bad boy better than the rest? Because we ditched the rust-prone junk and upgraded to an aluminum frame, which means 10 to 20% less weight without sacrificing strength. That's right, no more lugging around a bulky, back-breaking umbrella. At just 11.2 inches and under 0.8 pounds, it slides into your bag, purse, or even your pocket. Unlike cheap, knockoff umbrellas that fall apart after a drizzle, this one is engineered to last, because who has time or money for constant replacements? Ever been caught in a storm wrestling with a stubborn, jammed umbrella? Not with this one. The fully automatic open-close system makes it effortless to deploy and collapse in seconds. No more embarrassing struggles at the door of your car, office, or home, just push, pop, and go. And let's not forget sun protection, this isn't just for rain. The UPF 50+ sunblocking coating, available in select styles, keeps those harsh UV rays from frying your skin while you strut the streets in style. Now, let's talk value. Many so-called luxury umbrellas slap on a designer label and triple the price for the same, or worse, quality. Not here. The SY Compact Umbrella gives you premium durability, windproof engineering, and travel-ready convenience at a price that won't make your wallet cry. Plus, with our absolute satisfaction guarantee, if anything goes wrong, we'll send you a free replacement, no return needed. That's how confident we are in our product. Bottom line? This isn't just an umbrella, it's peace of mind in your hands. Whether you're dodging a downpour, battling wild winds, or shielding yourself from scorching sun, this compact powerhouse is ready for action. So why wait? Upgrade your umbrella game today and let the weather try its best. It won't win,